Hey, what's up guys, this is Ed Wayward and today we are going to unbox the Metallicgear Skiron or Skiron D-RGB 140 mil fan. Why in the world would I buy this? Kasi ang case ko, which is, ayan, kung nakikita mo sa background, ay ang Phanteks P500A, which has pre-installed 3 140mm fans. And bakit hindi Phanteks ang brand? Kasi wala akong makita. This one I bought from Shopee. And Metallicgear is actually a brand under Phanteks. So, without further ado, inbox na natin siya. And papakita ko rin sa inyo ang installation later. So here, as you can see, meron siyang D-RGB or ARGB headers or connectors. Tapos, we have a PWM connector. Based on my research, compatible siya with Phanteks fans. So that's why I bought this one kahit hindi siya Phanteks but still under their company. So here. So this is the fan. Size nito is 140. Then let's check the other specs. So this is compatible with RGB fusion ng Gigabyte, Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, and ASRock Polychrome Sync. So, you have the connector here. Ngayon, ang D-RGB or ARGB, tatandaan nyo, it's 5-volt connector. Tapos, 3 pin siya. Right. Meron pa siyang pads or rubber dampeners para kung saan mag-vibrate or too much spinning, hindi siya maingay or maka-affect sa performance. Good job. So, dahil ang purpose niya is to be an exhaust dito sa case, ang screws natin ay manggagaling sa labas. And it should be like this, ang orientation niya. Yep, like this. Ganyan. So, ang hangin papunta dito. So, let's install first the rubber dampeners. Okay, looking good. And we're done with the last piece. Now, let's install it. So, I went out and nag-create ako ng parang space dito sa fan para lang ma-insert ko tong wires para hindi siya nakaharang kapag na-screw mo. So, ganyan. Hindi siya harang dito. Diba? Hindi mo malinis. Right, ngayon ikabit na natin siya. So, ito. Feel nyo lang saan nyo gusto ilagay. Ako, gusto ko medyo gitna dun sa space provided. Hindi not too high, not too low. Ayan. think this will do. Screw na natin siya. Okay. This time, ang gagawin naman natin ay isasaksak siya sa system fan header. Ito is for the RGB or D-RGB or ARGB na nalagay natin sa likod. Yan. Sando ng connection niya. Then, this one, dito siya sa system fan. Okay. Iklian pa natin to para hindi siya messy at maraming clutter. Now, yung header, nasaksak ko na siya. I mean, yung cable. Nasaksak na natin sa system fan header. This one. And last but not the least is, let's check if it will work. Now let's turn it on. So na-daisy chain ko na siya. Now it's working.